How's it going, everyone? Welcome again to another edition of Alex Tech. Today we're going to talk about the wireless mini Bluetooth Zoe that I just got this for under $21 on Amazon. Upon unboxing this Zoe Bluetooth speaker, we are greeted with the following items. We have here a 3.5mm head jack and a USB cable to charge your Bluetooth speaker as well. Okay. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take out here from the box, and this is when we're greeted with the Bluetooth itself wrapped around in the bag. It weighs just about a pound, and inside we will see manuals or a greeting little paper. And here is the instruction booklet. And it does feel pretty smooth. Now on the bottom here we see little paddings which will stable your Bluetooth speaker onto the mount on the table or your desk. And then also we are seeing the buttons that I will go over in just a little bit. Now here are some of the features of this Bluetooth. First of all, we have stereo speakers, battery, FM, radio, which is kind of rare on Bluetooth speakers, but that's a plus, auxiliary port, and then a TF micro SD card that could be inserted as well. On the bottom of the box, we also are greeted with some of the technical specifications, which I already went over, which is pretty simple. Everything else is on the manual. But this is again one of the first Bluetooth speakers that I've seen that I'm actually using as an FM radio station. Okay, next we're greeted with the buttons with the backward, forward, play and pause, and modes, which you can go Bluetooth to the FM transmitter, and a phone call. Next, we look into the surroundings of the speaker. It's blue. I really like the outline of it. And then on the back, we have a USB port. We have the charger port. We have the auxiliary port on and off switch and the TF slot. Next, I like to make a comparison as far as what I currently have, which is the soundbot. Now, the soundbot goes for around $40 on Amazon, but I wanted to get something that I can compare with it's under $21. So as far as the weight goes, just comparing as far as weight does, the soundbot weighs a little bit more than this, and the Zoe weighs a little bit, just a tiny bit more heavier. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and do the sound comparison. Alright, again, the Zoe sounded more crisp and had a little more bass to it, okay, than the soundbot in my opinion. And for under $21 on Amazon, I think this is a steal. Check out the reviews on my link I will post down below, and you guys can go check it out yourselves. But I honestly would pick this one up since the holidays are coming around the corner, and if you're on a budget, then this Bluetooth speaker is a great gift. Alright, so thank you guys again for watching. Thank you for taking the time. My name is Alex, and I will guys see you on the next one.